Here are 50 simple evening routine sentences used in daily conversations. Coming home. I reach home in the evening. I take off my shoes. I change my clothes. I wash my hands and face. I feel relaxed after coming home. I greet my family members. I sit on the sofa and relax. Evening snacks VET. I drink a cup of tea. I have some snacks. I eat biscuits with tea. I talk with my family while drinking tea. I enjoy my evening tea. Relaxation time. I watch television in the evening. I watch my favorite show. I listen to music. I scroll through my phone. I read the news. I read a book for some time. I play games on my phone. Outdoor activities. I go for an evening walk. I visit the nearby park. I play cricket with my friends. I ride my bicycle. I enjoy the fresh air. I meet my neighbors. I chat with my friends. Family time. I spend time with my family. I help my children with homework. I talk about my day with my parents. I play with my kids. I laugh and share stories. Evening chores. I help with household chores. I water the plants. I clean my room. I arrange my things. I prepare for the next day. Preparing dinner. I start preparing dinner. I help in the kitchen. I cut vegetables. I cook food with my family. I set the dinner table. I wait for everyone to join dinner. Before night. I feel tired after a long day. I finish my evening tasks. I relax for some time. I check my